Okay, so let's try on example of Batofogo. We will explain you how to do correct leg action for Samba. So let's do Batofogo first. So we cross, then we have side with the ball of the foot only, replace. So we have a cross, side, replace, and cross, side, replace. So it's very simple movement called Batofogo. You can do it side by side, you can do in couple. There is many variations to it. Of course, if we add a lot of crazy actions and body ripples, it looks quite complex. But if we focus only on the knee and leg action, it should be easier to start understanding this step. So the secret is when you bend your knee, as soon as you bend, you have immediately straight it back. So you go bend straight. So don't bend the leg and stay there for a long time. So we're always going bend straight, like we are rebounding from that bendingness. Bend straight. So as we're going to the cross, we have a bend straight, the same as we're going side, replace. Side, bend straight. So we have a bend straight and bend straight. One end, two end. So anytime I say and, we have to take our knee back. So let's try it again. And that will be a great base to understand correct bouncing action for the whole samba, not only for this particular step. This is the whole samba basic movements with the bounce. And one end, two end, straight. Recover your knee as soon as you can. One end, two end. 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 One more secret with that. You're doing very good. One more secret with that. As soon as you recover your knee, move your body to the next step. So do not recover your knee and stand and stay where you are. As you're recovering your knee, take your spine to the next step. So on number we bend, on end we recover. So we have one end, or let's say previous step, 8 and one end. And see, as soon as I straighten my knee, it tilts my body forward and sending me to my other movement, 2 and the same here. As I straighten this knee, it should take me to my next movement, 2 and one and 2 and one and 2. And then for more experienced people, you can take that straightening of the knee into the reverse ripple feel, where you're already not only having a leg actions, but also some body actions. See you in the next lesson.